Let me show you a quick review of what has been done during this week. So now it is a front-end part ready. Basically the structure of the front end. It's now using one of my old designs from the previous project. So there will be a new design for this, but it will show the functionality and the overall interface of the system. So I have a basic user. Password. So here we have the home page as per the requirements, where we can choose the search type. Let's say we want to search by company name. So here we see a list of companies. If there are more than one page, there will be a pagination right here in the bottom. So and here we can see the list. For example, on this page, here's a list of companies. Here is the one I am already following. So here's my company entities which I am following right now. It is one company for now. So I can, for example, follow this one. I choose the notifications option. Let's say I want per filling. This one. Maybe this one. And here we can see the information is parsed. These companies, actually the trackers for those companies were already existing in the system. So let's say we want to add some new company. It is parsing it from the registry, creates a new tracker, and here we see the status is changed to following. Now this company is right here. It has been updated right this time, 12 AM, and this is the last info. Here we can see the time when it was updated the last time. Here is the list of documents, registered agents, previous names. Well, on this page we can select and change the notifications option. So let's say we can get a notification for full updates. Also we can get the PDF file of this entity for the last moment. Here's the time by UTC. Here's the links on the details page of the company, also on the documents list page on this particular company. Then we can unfollow this company, so it will be removed from my followings. Right now I don't remember actually what is the max trackers I have set for this user. Let's say I want to follow a few more companies, and yeah, it's 6. So if I try to add more than 6 companies, it'll return me an error. So the default amount of trackers is 3 for each new user. So in the admin area you can change this number. So let's see how the notifications are working. Let's set some script that will be update the company's information every minute, for example. Okay, now we have set it up, and for these companies there will be and updating. It'll parse the information from the registry every minute. Sorry, the wrong window. And now, to make the system see some changes, we will remove, for example, all the documents. We will remove all the documents in the system. So when the next parsing is done, it will see that there are added some documents. Okay, so 57 documents have been deleted, and the next time when there will be an update, we will see it's already there. We can see that for the company, for all those companies that we are tracking, there was added a documents. For example, for this particular company, it is here 123921392. Here it is. So the last update was on 1 and 2 a.m. and here are the new documents as per this email. Also the previous names were added. Some documents for this company. Then let's change our notification option for this company and delete the documents again. So you will see how it looks like when there is a notification for general changes. Let's see, let's wait for a minute. Oh, here it is. So when it is when the user has chosen the full notifications option, he will also get the attachment in the email, the PDF attachment, which represents this information in the email. Okay, this is for the user's side. Maybe I will show something more later. Of course, here we can change our test name, our organization name. We can add notification emails. So the copy of this email will be also sent to these emails. Here we can change your password, change account email. Okay, let's go to the admin area. To the admin area where we can manage users, where we can set their max trackers, the status of each user. We can unsubscribe them from companies. We can delete the particular company entities and do those kind of things. So here we are logging in with the admin account, and now we can see the list of company entities in the system and the amount of followers for each company entity. So for example, for this entity there are 2 followers, and this information is in the bottom of the details page. So here are the followers. We can delete the follower from this entity. For example, we can delete this one, this active user. Follower has been deleted. And if there is no followers for the entity, for example, for this one, it won't be updated. It won't load the system, it won't update the information if there are no followers. The same for this one. If this follower is blocked, it won't get updated as well. For example, for this an entity, it will be updated because here is at least one active follower. Also, on the users page, we can see the users list and users details, which entities is the particular user following. We can delete these followings from his list. Also, we can update the amount of maximum trackers. So let's say we want to set it to 4, and now the user won't be able to add more than 4 maximum trackers, but he will have these 5. If you want to limit his amount, his real amount, you will need to delete some of his followings by manual. So let's say we delete this one, and now he won't be able to add another trackers. Also, we can set his status to blocked, and he won't be able to log in to the system, and also he won't get any notifications for these companies. Here we can see the email templates page. So now we have the email template for the documents list. So if the list of documents has been changed, it will show. Here's this kind of email. So here's the description, which is set right here. This text will be shown in the email. We can add a template for every field of the company. So this is the basic overview of the system front end. The next task is to, let me show you what is the next task. Hopefully the last one, and I'll upload the system in production. So the last task is to create a style guide, a design for the system. So here is the style guide page, which will be created for your system. It's basically a set of elements of the system for each states of the system, and the same style guide will be created for your system. So I'll be doing this the next few days, and then I'll put a new design on the front end, and we'll upload the system to the production on the server, and you'll be able to test everything to see how it works on your site, and hopefully you will enjoy this. Okay, so I'll give you an update on the next week when I'm done with the design. I'll show it to you. We can have a discussion. So talk to you next week. Goodbye.